Yeah, I'm continuing to film these little eagles. I'm just walking back home, but the male on the left has turned around. It's like he's looking at a rabbit. So they're always opportunistic predators on the lookout for a rabbit if it walks past them. Look at this male, he's really thinking about catching a rabbit. He's definitely thinking about it. I might back off a bit and just give him some space. I'm a good 40... Oh, there he goes. I have to wait and see if he caught a rabbit. Usually they just hide down in the grass with their prey. He's down in there somewhere. Okay, I'll turn the camera off and I'll just keep an eye out and see whether he caught one or not. Okay, God bless you everyone. You've seen a pounce of a little eagle, but we don't know if he caught something. Okay, God bless you. Bye bye.